Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we're making a really easy barfi recipe. This one is for condensed milk barfi. So if you guys are intrigued, keep watching. I promise it's going to be very easy. We're going to start with our milk, and to that I'm going to add in shredded coconut flakes. This is just the white of the coconut. You don't want there to be too much moisture in it, so you'll squeeze out as much as you can, or you can buy packed shredded coconut or desiccated coconut. To that we're going to add in elychee and nutmeg. Now I'm not adding too many spices here. We don't want to overpower the coconut flavor. Go in with ghee, and here we're going to add in our media cream, or it also goes as table cream. It's not condensed milk, someone was asking me, and if you don't have this you can use some heavy cream to substitute. In goes condensed milk now, and the condensed milk is what's going to help bring this together. So you're going to add in your condensed milk. Now don't add all at once, add half of the amount that's listed and start mixing. It's going to look dry, but trust me, it's going to have just the right amount. I'm going to mix and add some more of that milk and continue to mix. By using the condensed milk, we're skipping this sugar syrup that we usually put. So mix, and now I'm going to go in with my hands because now I want to really check to see if I need more condensed milk. So once it starts to look like this and it can stick together and you can press it out, that's when you stop and you place it into a grease pan. Now I'm using a 9x9 square pan, and these are going to come up pretty thick. If you wanted to use a bigger pan to make these thinner, of course you can do that. I'm going to grease my hand lightly with some ghee and start pressing it out. You want to make sure it's in a nice even layer. You want to press them really well also because you want to compact the barfi. Now I'm just using my coffee press, and I'm just going to push down to compact it even further. And then using my spatula, I'm going to start to smoothen out the top. Now I'm not putting sprinkles on this, but if you wanted to add sprinkles, go for it. You can even drizzle some white chocolate on this if you wanted to, but I chose to just garnish with some of that coconut shreds and press it in. This sets up in about an hour, and then you can go ahead and cut into it, and it cuts so neat, so clean. It's so perfect. It's the perfect combination of coconut barfi and regular barfi. Cut it up into the size of blocks that you like, and all you have to do is enjoy. Now if you're using it for puja, make sure you don't eat any until the puja is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you to Dan's for the inspiration for this recipe, and to my hubby. So if you try this Diwali or Eid, comment down below, let me know. Thank you all so much for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.